Smarter marketing. Stronger results.
Okay, this is going to be a complete walkthrough of the mail module, RESmartMail AI. Out of all the modules on the platform and all the modules that we're going to be adding to the platform, this has to be one of my favorite ones, and it's because it blends the digital world with the physical world. With all the digital marketing that we do, we still need those things that connect us to the physical world, to people, and this is perfect for marrying that. So we're going to do a complete walkthrough. So let's go ahead. I'm in the mail module now. I've already put money in my wallet, and there's another video, short video, that shows you how I did that. It's really easy. But I'm going to go ahead and click on New Campaign, and it's going to ask me how do I want to start. Do I want to start from a template? Do I want to create a card from scratch? Do I want to create a card from a listing or create a card from a flyer? Let's go ahead and start from a template first. And you see there's quite a number of templates. So for instance, if I have a new listing and I want to farm the area around that listing, and so I might want to use, let's say, maybe this one here, the luxury exclusively represented. So I'm gonna click on that. I'm gonna scroll down, and I'm going to give the mailing a name. Let's just say 123 Main Street Listing Farm, just to call it something. And we'll go ahead and click on next. And now it's going to take me to the size of the postcard that I want to mail. So we'll go ahead and click on 6x9. Click next. And now it's going to take me to that particular card, and you see the front of it and the back of it. So when I mail, it's going to actually merge the property address right here. And I can do other things. This is a complete editor. So I can add headlines, text. So I've just clicked on headline. I can add a headline there. I can't see that, but I can change the color of that. Okay, just list it in, and whatever else I want to add in there. I can add a logo. Let's go ahead and delete that. I can add a logo, and in this case, let's add this logo. Click on it. Use this image. Make that logo, paste that anywhere. In any event, there's a lot of things that I can do to create the card. I can change out this image if I want to. So let's click here. Let's pick from library. Let's just pick this image here. Okay. Or if this was wasn't a postcard about my listing, I could use I can upload photos. I can pick from what's in the media library. I can say pixels, and let's see here, modern Tudor home. And then I can find, or I can AI generate a listing just by describing what it is I want to. Tell what style I want, and the size I want the photo and how many I want, and then click generate the images, and it will generate the images for me, and then I will just select those images. But let's go ahead and do this, and you can see if you click on the back of the photo, you'll want everything in the green mark here. So I would just move these things here and move the QR code here. Now, this QR code doesn't go to anywhere, but I can redirect this QR code right here to a custom URL, or I can select a QR code that I've created, such as one that I've created in the QR code module. So let's go ahead and select one that I created. Okay, and so now I just selected the QR code to my campaign. So now when that postcard is mailed out, and they scan that code to give their information or to take them to the website or whatever it is that I'm sending them, their information will be recorded in the CRM. And so we have that. Let's just go ahead and click next. And now I have the ability to send to contacts that are in my CRM. Or I got a list from my title company of the farm around that home, and so I can just go ahead and click on well, first I can click on manual add, so I can actually add the names in. You can send as few as one postcard or as many as you like. Let's click on CSV import, and I'm going to upload a CSV file with the data that I have in it. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay. So I have a list of fake data here, and we'll go ahead and open, and it is going to have me match the fields in my file to the fields that are in the mail module. So first name, last name, address, line 1, city, state, so zip code, and their match. I don't need email or phone. I'm only looking for the address. But if these didn't match this, I would just click the down arrow and select the field that matches this field here, and I'm going to say import 40. Okay, so now those names and addresses are imported. Now I can send, I'm just going to click on who I want to send. I can send them all this mail, or I can just send a few of them the mail. Let's just go ahead and do this for right now. Click on next. And it's creating my tracking QR, which is auto attached to it. And it gives me my campaign name, the postcard, how many recipients I am sending, and then I'm going to continue to quote. And I can send that standard mail, which could take anywhere from 14 to 21 days to get there, because it's USPS and it's whenever they decide to deliver the mail. If you care about speed and it doesn't matter when it gets delivered, then you want to do first class, which is 5 to 10 days for mailing, and then just pay from the wallet. And it deducted that amount from the amount that I had in my wallet. And then I can submit for proof. Payment is confirmed. Send the design to Postcard so they can generate a printable proof for your review. So I would just submit the proof, and then they would send me the proof back. Okay. And now let's go to, there's 3 ways. I can click here, go back to campaigns, or I can on the menu here go back to the dashboard, go back to campaigns. But let's just go ahead and click that, and let's just create a new campaign. So this time, let's create a campaign from a listing. So we go ahead and click on create from listing. I can pick whatever listing that I want to choose, and it will grab one of the images from that listing campaign. And so I click next. Let's mail this. So it already given a name. Click next. Let's do 6x9 again, and boom. So it went and grabbed the photo from that particular listing. And again, you have all the same the editing features as before. And again, I can select that are in my database, or I can upload a file. So let's just go ahead and upload. I'm sorry, let's just go ahead and pick a couple people from the database. Go and click next. Again, it's giving me all the information on the campaign. Continue to quote. And boom, again, you're going to submit for proof, and it will send proof before it is mailed out. So the flyers are printed and mailed out. Now let's go ahead and go back. Let's click on new campaign, and this time let's create from a flyer that I've created in RESmartFlyer module. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of the flyers. Let's select this open house or this just listed flyer. Again, I'm going to name this flyer name this campaign. I'm going to go ahead and click next. Let's choose 6x9 again. Okay. And it pulled that obviously that flyer is from the same campaign. But as I said, I can go in and if I click on say I don't like that image, I can go ahead and change that. I can again, let's pick one from the library, and let's just pick this one. And now I just changed the image. Okay. And then I would just adjust everything. And again, I wanted to make sure that you show that you want everything in this green. And because it took it from a flyer, there was no address on the flyer, so it didn't pull that information there. So what I would do here, I would just create a text box here. And then I'd go ahead and just type in my address and whatever else I wanted on there. Bring in a QR code again. We can click on that. And so on and so forth. And then you're just gonna go through the same procedures, upload, manually add, or any from your database. Click continue to quote, click pay. And that's all there is to it. And I'll just show you just a couple things here. You can click on templates if you want to see all the different templates that are available before you go in and mail the card. That way you have an idea when you go in there what you want to use. But a very nice template. And again, this is your wallet that you would go in and you would actually put buy credits in here, and then as you do your mailings, it would take from here. If you click on recipients over here, these are all the past recipients that you've mailed to. So what's great about this is that you can remail to the same the mail recipients that you've already had. You can add more again, or you can import a CSV file. Thank you for watching, and good luck.
Business. RE Smart Agent AI. Smarter marketing, stronger results.